It can be tough to talk about politics. We may not even agree on facts, let alone values and opinions. And things can get heated, which just creates more conflict. How can we connect with and understand other people if we can't even talk with them? I'm Tania Israel, professor of counseling psychology and author of Beyond Your Bubble, How to Connect Across the Political Divide. The book grew out of a workshop I started offering after the 2016 election to help people develop skills and strategies to have dialogue about politics. Now I've retooled the workshop to offer it online so it can reach more people. Attendees tell me they're interested in maintaining relationships with people in their lives, or they want to persuade other people, find common ground, heal the divide, or they simply cannot fathom how people can think or act or vote as they do. So the workshop focuses on skills to help achieve these goals. If you participate in a Beyond Your Bubble workshop, you'll gain insight into people on the other side, learn how to listen to understand, keep your cool, and share your own views effectively. The workshop is 2 hours long, and it's really engaging. It's live, so you'll interact with me and with other attendees. I'll do some talking and demonstrations, but you'll be pretty active, taking polls and practicing skills in breakout rooms. And we'll have opportunities to talk together about challenges and strategies for successful dialogue. People come away from the workshop equipped with knowledge and feeling more confident that they can have productive conversations with people they disagree with. A bonus is that the same skills you need for political dialogue will help to make you a better partner, better parent, coworker, and community member. If this sounds like something that might benefit your organization, workplace, or campus, fill out a request on my website, taniaisrael.com. If you're interested in attending a community workshop by yourself or with friends and family, sign up for updates and I'll let you know when there's another one coming up. Conversations aren't always easy, but they'll go a lot more smoothly with knowledge, skills, and practice. And I can help you with that. Come join me beyond your bubble.